Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Konkani recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare cabbage ambado. This cabbage fritters or cabbage vada can be had along with rice or even as an evening tea time snack. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 cup of finely chopped cabbage, 1 medium size onion finely chopped, 1 cup of rice flour, half cup of besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri dry red chili powder, salt as per taste, and finally 1 teaspoon of tamarind water or tamarind paste. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and into that transfer the chopped cabbage, onion, rice flour, besan or gram flour, dry red chili powder, salt, tamarind paste, and give all the ingredients a good mix using your hands. Once done, add water little by little and give all the ingredients a good mix until well combined and you are able to hold it into a tight ball using your hands. Next, take small portions of the prepared batter and roll it into a ball and flatten it using your hands. Repeat the process for the rest of the batter as well. Next, to deep fry, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add oil enough for deep frying. Once the oil is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and into this transfer the vadas and deep fry this until it turns nice and crisp on both the sides. Keep flipping the vada occasionally so that it's uniformly cooked on both the sides, and make sure to deep fry in low to medium flame so that it's well cooked also on the insides. Once your cabbage vadas are ready, transfer this into a plate with tissue paper topped on it so that it can absorb any excess oil if there is any. Now repeat the deep frying process for the rest of the cabbage vadas as well. Once all the vadas are ready, transfer this into a plate and serve this along with some tomato ketchup or coconut chutney. So do try this delicious recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and for more vegetarian recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.